Let's learn about Python and JSON. So JSON is a data format that is widely used for communication between two different servers or files. Okay, so let's start. First of all, you have to simply import the JSON module in Python, import, that is import JSON. Now I will take an object of a person. That is, for example, you want to communicate the details of a person between two different servers. So what we will do is that create a dictionary first for that person. That will be person, and JSON is simply a collection of key and value pairs. Here in quotes we will give the name of the key. So key will be all key can be a string or an integer, but mostly for every key in the key value pair the general notation is string. So first of all, our first key will be name, and that is XYZ, and that is the age of that person, that is person is 333 years old, and location location is Perth. So now we will convert this dictionary to a JSON object. So I will check first of all I will check the data type of this person object, and this person is basically a dictionary, as you can see. Now to convert this dictionary to a JSON object, JSON is simply a format, but its underlying representation is a string. So to convert this dictionary object of a person, we will simply use the dumps method of JSON module. Person underscore JSON is equal to JSON dot dumps. This will be a person, and person underscore. So as you can see that the person that is the JSON. I have initially used single quotes for the keys, but JSON has double quotes. So as you can see the difference between a simple dictionary object and a simple JSON object. Now I will again check the type of this person JSON. Person underscore JSON. As you can see, the type of this person JSON object is str. Now how do we convert a JSON object back to its string form or dictionary form? So what we will do is that uh, person underscore original is equal to, we will use the JSON dot loads method. JSON loads person underscore JSON person underscore. Now as you can see, the key in the person underscore original object, the key has single quotes. Now again I will check the type of this person original object. Type of personal underscore, sorry, person. So see,